Nice and slow. Six kilometers, boys, then we're there. Oh fuck, my GoPro. My GoPro just dropped off my head. I don't know if the camera's pointing the right way anymore, but that was something. Let's just pretend that never happened. My helmet feels different than before. It feels heavier on the side of the GoPro. Hey Tesla! Oh fuck, I need to get on the biker's path. Alright, I'm gonna try something really tricky, and that is just going here. And getting through the mud to get on the right side of the road. There's no way I'm going through that with my bike. Fucking GoPro. Okay, I think I gotta find another route because this is blocked. There's definitely an opening there. Can I? Oh, you can actually open it. Oh, and close it. I gotta find the trail. It's gonna be a little slippery because it has been raining a lot lately. But I think I'll be fine. You gotta be shitting me, right? There's another fence. And it's locked. This seems like the way to go. Oh fuck, that's someone's house. Okay. Oh shit, this is all mud. I'm drifting. But dude, look at this view. There's a path here. This thing is actually pretty good at off-roading because at the low RPMs it makes as much power as the high ones. So I'm literally counter-steering. I'm drifting as we speak, dude. Look at this. Can you see this? I think I see a trail. I see multiple trails, dude. Don't fall. I want to see what this one has to bring, and otherwise we're going to the one where someone is walking, multiple people actually. Oh shit. Well fuck, this goes back to a main road, so we're gonna go to the other trail. Oh my lord, shitting me? Tell me it's not locked. It is locked. I see walking people. These people are giving me anxiety, dude. This is a trail on its own. This is sick, look at this. Woo! Now, this is some mountain biking shit. Wait. Welcome to the mountain bike route. I made it! Oh. Hoi.
Hey, ik wist niet dat hier ook brommers mochten komen.
Elektrische.
Ja, of die niet.
Oh, okay, so this is a problem because he just told me to get the fuck out basically. Dude, these tracks are really tight, holy shit. And I gotta keep track of who's behind me because then I gotta let them through, you know? Respect for the drivers. This is more like it. So scared. Oh, that was a close crash, dude. Dude, I'm not even halfway. This thing is like 10 kilometers. Please tell me there's just a way out. Wait, it's a regular road, right? Alright, I think I'm going here, boys. Sorry. I think this was enough adventure for today because people did not like me, dude. Now I gotta go home and edit this video. Whoa, what is this? Look how big this is, dude. Whoa, what the fuck? Like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't, it's really appreciated, and comment down below if you want to see more of this stuff.